Alright, hey, what's up YouTube? My name is ArTsi, but I go by the name ArTsi. This video is introducing a little group, or, our game development group called DevShock. Yeah, so what do you think we do? We make games. Yeah, our main project is called Le Rogue. That's the name for it right now. I don't know if that's just a beta name, I'm not sure. It's a top-down RPG, kind of like The Legend of Zelda for Super Nintendo, A Link to the Past. But on the side of that game, we make other little mini-games or whatever. One of the games that we made, you can find in the description down there. It's called Big Ass Dolphin, the video game. If you ever watch Code Monkeys, you'd kind of understand the reference. And it's a pretty fun game. It literally took us about 2 days tops to make the entire game. As I said before, my name's ArTsi, but I go by the name ArTsi. That's basically my code name for the game. So based on the name ArTsi, what do you think I do? I provide all the art for the game. Well, let's take a look at the game before it had graphics. Now let's look at the game with graphics. Big difference, right? I'm ArTsi, and currently there's 3 other official members of DevShock, which are Seabear, Jet, and Dez. Damon is the lead game designer of DevShock. Seabear is the programmer of DevShock, and he programmed in C++, obviously. I guess that's where he got the name Seabear. And Dez is the level designer. But anyways, let me show you more of what I do on the computer.
Alright guys, so as you can see, this is my laptop and this is just the recording file or whatever. But I'm just going to show you a little bit of what I do for the game. So this is my sprite sheets folder, and I have a sprite sheet here for Big Ass Dolphin, which is the game we just released. It goes from skinny and then it goes to fat, So I do all of the art that's for Big Ass Dolphin, the food that he's gonna eat in the games. And then for Le Rogue, I have a lot of sprite sheets in here. This right here, hold on, it's still loading. Yeah, this right here is basically the intro screen of DevShock. Now we're still trying to work things out with this because it's bugging like freaking crazy. But as you can see, he walks onto the stage, holds up a laptop, and then lightning strikes the laptop. And it's like, wow, DevShock, pretty awesome, right? I have a lot of different sheets for the main character, but this is his walking cycle plus his sword animation, the main tiles, objects equaling chests and hedges and all that stuff, And so this is the walking cycle for the goblin. And, just basic stuff. A title screen. Oh, there's 2 title screens that pop up in the game. Alright, so this is the intro screen I was talking about. Little bug right here, but, nothing to really worry about. So let's, just move around. Now, these are the old tiles that were in the game. I enlarged them, as I showed you before. But check this out. Alright, so cool. We have inventory right here. And, we walk around, and so, since I went over to the chest and got the sword, I used the sword animation. And over here we have Lucas. Now, Lucas is a friend of ours in school, and we decided to put him in the game. He's a merchant, and he sells you swords and potions and everything. This is a tile monster, very original idea made by Seabear. It's a tile that springs up into a monster, and then it has spikes and everything. So that's pretty much where we are right now. Oh yeah, and a cool death animation. I thought that was pretty nice.